The latest twist in a long-running saga. The US Patent and Trademark Office rejects 2 patents for technology that allows users to enter dates into calendars claimed by Alcatel-Lucent. For them, it could be disastrous news. They had won $358 million damages from Microsoft last April for violating the patents. The award had already increased to $500 million with interest. Now Microsoft's appeal against the damages award appears to have been bolstered. In the headlong rush that has characterised the development of new software technology, perhaps it should have been predicted that it would lead to disputes. But few foresaw the titanic proportions of clashes over patents between the leading players in the field, with the battle between Alcatel-Lucent and Microsoft turning into a multi-million-dollar protracted soap opera. The companies first crossed swords back in 2003 over music compression patents. Since then, the 2 companies have lobbied a volley of additional lawsuits at each other, with the entire case resembling trench warfare. The stakes have been high, with Microsoft at one point ordered to pay $1.5 billion to Alcatel-Lucent over MP3 encoding patents. The ruling was overturned on appeal. With the latest rejection of Alcatel-Lucent patents, Microsoft is once again hopeful it will avoid paying damages. But Alcatel-Lucent said the patent issue was not yet closed. The dispute represents the final part of the 2 companies' court battle. The software world will be watching with interest. Penny Tweedy, Reuters.